dive into the electric atmosphere of Changsha's fireworks extravaganza. Hey there, fellow adventurers! Buckle up because I'm about to take you on a wild ride through one of the most epic nights I've ever experienced in China. Spoiler alert, it involves rain, thousands of umbrella-wielding enthusiasts, and fireworks that will make your jaw drop faster than you can say, "Holy smokes." Picture this, I'm standing in the heart of Changsha, China, and the city is buzzing with anticipation. And I promise, this is going to be unforgettable. Why, you ask? Well, we're about to witness a fireworks celebration that's not just any show, it's a breathtaking tribute to the Communist Party of China. Now, let's talk about the weather. Mother Nature decided to throw us a curveball and send down a steady rain. But guess what? The people of Changsha and this fearless vlogger weren't about to let a little water dampen our spirits.
Oh my god. I think there's no place.
Wait, can you hear that? Boom! The sky erupted in a symphony of colors. Now let me be honest with you, it's raining, but look at this crowd. Thousands of people still showed up. And me? Yep, I came without an umbrella.
I think there's no place to go inside.
I mean, who needs an umbrella when there's a once-in-a-lifetime fireworks display on the line?
Maybe the people are so happy.
These weren't your average fireworks. They were like giant, celestial art pieces painted across the night sky. Some looked like blooming flowers, others like twinkling stars, and some even resembled cascading waterfalls of light. These aren't just fireworks, they're like giant art pieces in the sky. I couldn't help but think, I wish you were here to see it in person. And let's not forget about the safety aspect. There were security teams, police, and volunteers everywhere, working their magic to keep us all safe. Despite the massive crowd, I felt as secure as a turtle in its shell. After the show, I got a behind.
Firework?
The streets were a sea of umbrellas. It was like looking at a floating rainbow of colors, moving through the night. You couldn't even see people's faces, cheering and whooping as if we'd all just won the lottery. Just a mass of bobbing umbrellas. But the energy, oh, the energy was electric. It's umbrellas everywhere. You can't even see people's faces. Just a sea of different colors moving through the night. And then it happened.
Here, but so many people are here. Umbrellas. Oh my god, what the heck is it, man?
Reds, golds, greens, and purples exploded above us, like flowers blooming in the clouds. The crowd went wild. It was one of those moments where you forget about the rain, the crowded streets, and everything else, and you're just lost in the pure magic of it all. Navigating through the crowd was no joke, though. It was like an obstacle course with umbrellas at the hurdles. I'm trying to move forward, but it's not easy. Too many umbrellas, too many people, and I have to be super careful. I don't want someone to poke into my eyes and hope no one get poked. But after some strategic weaving and dodging, we finally found the perfect spot, and the view, it was just wow.
You can see the drone?
I couldn't help but wonder, would you take a picture here? Or maybe record your own vlog like this?
We will try to go a little bit near. Let us try if we can. This is the Orange Island from where they were firing those things, and I think it's very so much smoke in the air, so maybe you can't see it very clearly.
These scenes look at the launch site. Now, I'm showing you the place where they launched these fireworks. Yes, we got that close. You could still see the smoke lingering in the sky, a reminder of the incredible display we just witnessed. And the speakers were blaring out safety precautions in Chinese.
And the building that you see there is traffic control center, and you can get lessons from the place.
Can you understand Chinese? Can translate to your friends? Please tell us what they're saying in the comments. Let's house your Chinese. I'd love to know.
严禁携带易燃易爆等危险物品进入活动现场，请不要拥挤，不要在桥梁、人行通道及天桥上逗留，防止造成交通堵塞。不要攀爬。
Right next to us was a stunning traditional Chinese building, all golden and glowing in the night. It was the perfect example of how modern and ancient China come together in the most beautiful way.
The place. People are
As the crowd started to disperse and I hopped on my trusty electric bike, thank goodness I brought it, because getting a taxi in that madness would have been like finding a needle in a haystack. I couldn't help but reflect on the night. The fireworks finished now, and the crowd is slowly starting to move. It's still raining, I'm wet, but honestly, it was worth every second. This was hands down one of the best nights I've had in China, and I want you to be a part of the next adventure. If this video got your heart racing and your wanderlust kicking in, hit that like button, share it with your friends because sharing is caring, right? And don't forget to follow or subscribe. There are so many more amazing experiences waiting to be explored in China and beyond. So, until next time, this is your slightly wet but extremely happy friend signing off from Changsha. Stay curious, stay adventurous, and most importantly, stay awesome. And if you're already dreaming of experiencing a celebration like this in China, let me know in the comments. Your next bucket list adventure might just be a plane ticket away.